magandang umaga po sa ating kalihim at syempre sa family ng DepEd. So yung unang tanong ko po, Madam Chair, ay may kinalaman sa salary increase. So sa naging briefing po doon sa DBCC, nabanggit ng DBM na meron pong at least 86.9 billion for salary increase for government employees. So ibig sabihin nandun din ang teacher. So matanong ko lang po, Madam Chair, ang ating kalihim, ano po ang inyong susuportahan niyo po ba yung salary increase ng ating mga guro at ang ating mga education support personnel?
Madam Chair,
Sara
yes.
Duterte.
Yusek Mercado will answer.
Yusek Mercado, you're recognized.
Thank you, Your Honor. We have to, I must admit that we will be supporting the proposal for increase. As a matter of fact, we were directed by our kalihim, our Vice President Secretary, to contract out a study which we are doing with PUP, the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. We're working on the flow of salary increase based on inflation po. As you know, we used to leverage our rates with the private sector, but I must say that with the diaspora of 30,000 from the private sector to our public sector, we cannot anymore make reference to the rates of the private sector. Tapusin ko lang, ma'am. Pangalawa po, we have an existing study. We have an existing study which was already initiated by the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, and it's a study wherein we will be looking at the inflation rate of the country, and we will be leveraging the salary increases. But definitely, Your Honor, we will be supporting the proposal for increase of teachers, but it has to be empirically based. There's an empirical evidence for the increase of those salaries.
Thank you po. Ang malinaw, sinusuportahan
Yes po,
ng
Your
Department of Education ang salary increase kahit na ito ay maliit o malaki. So natutuwa naman po ako, no? At nagkakaisa ang department at ang kinatawang ito para sa pagtataas ng sweldo ng ating mga guro.